content for this.
I don't know how this is even. I don't know how it's gonna look on video because it's so freaking bright out. It's like no. Well, there is some clouds, but your camera's better than mine is. This one sucks. It's a hell of a view. You gotta have four-wheel drive to get up here. Some of the road is really nasty, but
Yes.
it's so beautiful up here. This is my childhood place where I used to go camping. Stevens Pass. It's the backside of where the ski lodge thing is. I think the ski lodge thing is actually over the backside of this mountain here, I think, or something like that. But it's nice. Lift kit works.